2026 Armada looks massive and muscular. Nissan completely refined the exterior. You get a bolder grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile that still feels commanding on the road. The proportions scream confidence, and trims like the Pro, 4X and NISMO bring their own character. Rugged off-road accents or sport-inspired details that make each version stand out. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, the heart of the new Armada. Nissan ditched the thirsty V8 for a brand new 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that pumps out up to 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. And if you go for the NISMO trim, you'll be treated to a boosted 460 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers stronger acceleration, better towing, and improved fuel efficiency. Speaking of towing, the Armada still pulls a mighty 8,500 pounds when properly equipped. So whether it's a family boat or a trailer, this SUV can handle it without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and you'll see just how much Nissan has leveled up the interior. It's a luxury-grade space now, with available quilted leather seats, premium materials everywhere, and space for up to 8 passengers. Front and center, a massive high-definition infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital driver display brings that modern cockpit feel. You'll also find multiple USB-C ports, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera view, all working to make long drives smoother and safer. The 2026 Armada lineup starts around $58,000 for the base SV trim, while the Platinum and NISMO versions climb toward the $80,000 mark. But here's the thing, even at the base level, you're getting big power, solid tech, and premium comfort that rivals much pricier full-size SUVs. Whether you want an off-road beast or a highway cruiser, there's an Armada built for you. The 2026 Nissan Armada is proof that big SUVs don't need big V8s to deliver muscle and luxury. With its twin-turbo powertrain, bold design, and tech-loaded cabin, it's easily one of the most improved full-size SUVs of the year. If you're after strength, style, and sophistication in one massive package, the new Armada is absolutely worth a test drive. So, what do you think? Did Nissan make the right move switching to a twin-turbo V6? Drop your thoughts below. And if you love powerful SUV content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming 2026 car reveals.